Hello everyone. So today we are actually going to look at blood relations, how they are asked in the aptitudes, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So blood relations, in order to be able to do these numbers, they actually talk about in your relatives, your family. You have to know what we call the family tree, and I'll try to help you understand it in the next minutes. So we have, if this is your father and this is your mother, the people who give birth to them, this is your grandpa and this is your grandma. This is actually your grandpa and this is also your grandma. Are we together? So your father and your mother, they give birth to you. You are the son or a child. You are the child. You have siblings. If it's a girl, it's a sister, and if it's a boy, it's a brother. But still, your parents actually have their brothers and sisters. So the sister of your father is called an auntie, and the brother of your father is called an uncle. Same to your mother. Sister is called an auntie, and the brother is called an uncle. So the ones on your mother's side are actually called maternal. So this is your maternal auntie, maternal uncle. The one of your father's side, they are called paternal. So this is your paternal auntie, and this is your paternal uncle. Also, your auntie and uncle, they give birth to children. Their children are the ones you call cousins. Are we together? The children of also these ones, you actually call them cousins. Are we together? Then after you knowing that these are actually your cousins, your brother, when he grows up, you actually give birth to children, and your sister, when he grows back, you give birth to children. The sons of your brother, you call them nephew, and the sons of your sister, you call the girls, you call them niece. Same to your sister. Your sister, actually, this is a nephew in case he gives birth to a boy, and this is a niece in case he gives birth to a girl. So we have what we call stepbrother and half brother. Should know the difference. Half brother, this is a brother whom you actually share with either the father or the mother. While stepbrother can be like your father going out and marrying another woman. Their children are actually your stepbrothers or stepsisters, so they can be stepchildren. Let's see an example here. They are saying A and B are brothers. So try to put here A, this is B. These two people are actually who? Brothers. All together. Then they are continuing saying C and D are sisters. Let's put here C and D are sisters. Are we together? And they're saying A's son is D's brother. A's son is D's brother. So A has a son. This A here we see has a son. Are we together? This A here actually has a son, and his son is actually D's brother. So his son is actually D's brother. Are we together? Then they are saying, how is B related to C? How is B related to C? So when we try to look at this, they are telling us A and B are actually brothers. Then they are saying C and D are actually sisters. Then they are telling us A's son, because here they are continuing saying A's son is D's brother. So A has a son, and this son is actually D's what? D's brother. So they are actually asking us the question that how is B, now this B here, related to who? To C. Since these are the children, B is the brother of A, and this is the father, and these are his children. It's the son and the daughter. Because these are brother and sister, that means B will actually be the uncle or the paternal uncle. So the answer will be this. Then they are continuing, they are telling us here, A is a son of C, while C, let's try to simplify it here for you. They are saying A is a son of C, while C and Q are sisters to one another. All together. So if A is a son of C, that means if this is C, his son is A. This is actually the son of C. While C and Q are sisters, this is Q. Let's try to put Q is a sister. So to A, this is an auntie. And they are saying are sisters to one another. Then they are saying Z is the mother of Q. So when you continue up, Z is the mother of Q. If P is the son of Z, that means Z has another son that is called P, who is the son. Are we together? Is the son of Z. Which one of the following statements is correct? So these are all related. They are children of Z. So ask us which one of the statements is correct. They say Q is the grandfather of A. No, Q is not the grandfather of A. Is actually an auntie of A. Are we together? Because they are sisters, that means they are both girls, and this is the boy in the family of their parents. And they are saying P is the maternal uncle of A. When we see P, we said P is a boy. So and we said anybody from the mother's side is actually there. When you look at A will call this his uncle, and is on the mother's side, so he's the maternal uncle of A. So the answer is B. So you can actually try out also this number and send the answer in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.